Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week, we're gonna do you a ham and cheese roll-up with a spicy honey mustard dipping sauce. We're gonna start out making this dipping sauce. We have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and you can pick your favorite. I believe this is Blue Plate. We have a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup Mike's Hot Honey, so this got a little kick to it. You can use regular honey if you don't want the spice. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of the Cajun Creole garlic butter by Heath Riles. So we got a teaspoon of that we're going in with. And then we're going to give this a real good mix. Blend it till it's smooth. There you have it. You got yourself a good spicy honey mustard dipping sauce. We're going to set that off to the side. We're going to start building our roll-ups. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to wet these edges with water. Come around the edge completely. This is just going to help it tack on there. And pick your favorite ham. This is just regular old cooked ham. And I'm going to take string cheese. So this is mozzarella string cheese. We're going to put it on the ham like that and just roll these up. Like so. And then we're going in here, we're going to roll these up. So you're just going to fold it over once, like that, get it tucked in. Fold this in. Like that, and just give it a nice roll. So there you have yourself a little ham and cheese stick. There, we're going to set this cheese that's rolled up in ham right there. I'll fold this guy over. Give this a little fold. And then just roll it up. Just like so. We got grease warmed up to 370. We're going to take it over and drop it in. Okay, we're at a little over 350 here on our oil. We're just going to drop this guy in. It's only going to take a few minutes. Get this guy frying here. We're going to go till golden brown, which should only take a few minutes. Okay, so we're just going to finish wrapping up our rolls here. Again, we wetted the edges. We're just going to set this there. Give this guy a fold over. Not comb over, fold over. Just wrap it up as tight as you can get it. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Do one more here. Sweat those edges. And again, like I said, you could do this with like pizza filling toppings. You could make it like a dessert style with some apples or peaches in there. Okay, we are nice and golden brown on this. You see how that looks? That's what we want. Nice and crispy. We're going to set it off here and let it drain. We're going to go ahead and drop these other guys in. So be very careful here. We're up around 370. That should be okay. Just don't want to get any higher than 375. We're going to drop the rest of these in here. Get these going. We'll pull them out, plate them up, show you how we're going to serve them. Okay, these have been about 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull these guys. Nice golden brown. Ooh, look at that cheese pouring out of there. These started to come apart a little bit. That's all right. Just so you don't get too much going out into your grease. It should be fine. You probably could air fry these or bake them in the oven, but everything's better fried. We're going to let those drain a little bit. We're going to drop this last guy in. Then we'll plate them up. Okay, so we're going to give these ham and cheese roll-ups a try. We've left them cool for about 10 minutes. So we're just going to give you guys a quick cut. And again, we made you a real simple spicy honey mustard dipping sauce for these. Tastes excellent, by the way. You're going to want to save that recipe. We're going to give these guys a quick cut. And I'm just cutting it because I want you to see how these look. You see, you got that cheese just gooing out of there. They're still smoking hot, you can see. We're going to go ahead, I'm just going to take this dipping sauce, and we're going to pour some right down in there. Give that baby a try. Squirter. Wow, these things are excellent. That honey mustard sauce really makes them. Got a great flavor, nice and creamy, nice crunch from that egg roll wrapper. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some.